What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. You all know that I'm a really big fan of XRP. I don't know how many videos I've made of XRP, but it's definitely a lot. And the reason that I've made these videos is because I believe in it. The reason why I'm buying XRP is because I believe in it. And every time I see it at these low prices, I'm so tempted to buy more XRP, even though I feel like I'm at a fantastic level. Now, also, I'm impatient because if you don't know, I am gathering more XRP from Margex and I'm trading more XRP, more and more XRP every single day to gather more from Margex in the end. Um, I want to put through longer term positions. I want to put through shorter term positions just to be able to gather more and more XRP. And I'm just impatient. So I'm like, all right, well, how about I just purchase 4,000 more XRP or 10,000 more XRP or something like that? Now, I'll just let you know that I didn't decide to make any move yet. But by the time this video comes out, which is definitely going to be later in the day, I may end up buying more XRP by that time. I will let Patreon know if I'm deciding to buy more XRP or what I decide to buy at these levels. But it's always interesting because I know what XRP will be, and anybody that understands this project will say that yes, it will have a lot of growth. It has large potential to even grow further than what we believe it could get to. Right? If you're like, hey, it's going to get to $20, it may go further than that. If you're saying, hey, it's going to get to $100, it may go further than that. And it just feels amazing to be a part of something that has so much or has such a high expectation from so many people because of what it can be. So let's take some time to look at XRP. This is at the time of recording this, which is 6:24 a.m. I don't know if this will be uploaded until like 7 o'clock at night. So we'll see. Just take this all with a grain of salt as you're seeing the position at the current stages. But let's understand the context and in what the video is all about and why I'm so tempted or was so tempted to buy XRP at these levels. So, guys, if you could, make sure you hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links that are down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter, follow me on Patreon, those links are in the description. Now, don't forget about my link for Margex. If you guys want to start trading Margex, feel free to trade that and, or check that out. My link for Margex is down below, and you could trade up to 50x leverage for XRP, 100x leverage for Bitcoin. You can trade 5x leverage for anything, and you can also trade as little as $1. Actually, you can put forth 20 cents and then trade $1 at a 5x leverage, and you're only risking 20 cents, right? You can get an understanding of the market a little bit, understanding of leverage trading by trading a very, very small amount. It does not have to be in the thousands. Even though most people want it to be that way, you can see the percentage gains that you have there, and then you'll probably have these shoulda, coulda, wouldas. It's like, well, I gained 100% here. Imagine if I would have put $100 in there, it would have turned to 200. Imagine if I would have put $500 in there, it would have turned to 1,000. And you can't do that. You have to understand what you did right, and then you can do your shoulda, coulda, wouldas after that. But don't trade with emotion. Anyways, let's look at where XRP is right now in price. It currently stands at 54 cents. I feel like this is a fantastic price just based on previous analysis. We've seen it at these levels every time it looks like it breaks out to 60, 65 cents, 70 cents. It finds a way to come back down to the 50 level, right? And the reason that it stays around these levels is because of the uncertainty within crypto overall, as well as uncertainty within the SEC versus Ripple. So you see it at these levels because of that. But these are good prices, and I love to see it at these levels because now it gives me a better opportunity to maybe purchase more. And this is why it's like I'm so tempted to purchase it, because I know that these are technically lower levels compared to what you've seen 60, 70, 80, 90 cents. It's definitely a lower level. So I would like to purchase more, but I just don't want to keep putting more money forward when I have so much that could be coming from Margex. But then again, that money could also come in when things start to blow up, and XRP may blow up as well. So then I'm not buying at these low levels, because that's a savings of 6 cents per coin. And honestly, you're buying a lot of coins, so it's 6 cents per coin, maybe even more than that. It could be around 10 cents, or depending on how far, it does grow, if it gets up to 70, or let's say 74, just to make it even, that's 20 cents per coin that you're now saving on by buying at these levels versus buying at those levels. Even though you're still going to have whatever you gain over there, you're now buying a lot lower. So I'm so tempted to purchase at these levels. If we look at something that's positive news within XRP, not the market cap because it's down by 11%, but you look at the volume and you're seeing $3.1 billion, a 10% volume to market cap ratio. We don't typically see that within XRP. And yes, we're seeing a lot of negative movement, as well as some people that are buying up, because I believe it did hit a level of 50 cents. Once we go over to Margex, you're going to see that that was an extra 4 cents of a savings per coin if you decided to purchase then. Now, if we look at why I believe that this is a good price, if I go back to Margex, right? If you go over to Margex and look at these plays here, you're going to see that this is XRP that I brought up, and this is their chart looking at the last year plus. And you can see here this line that I drew a while ago. I drew this line a very, very long time ago, all the way back here, I want to say, somewhere around here. And it just stayed along this trend line. You can see how even here it stayed along this trend line. Right now it's staying along this trend line. And we can see this consistently grow in this channel. This channel hasn't been fully broken. It hasn't been fully broken at all. And you could see that level of an increase in the way that it is moving. And I'm expecting to see this push up eventually, hopefully it's very, very soon, to a level of 70, 75. Breaking these two levels, it did hit a double top scenario, so that could be something that finally breaks this trend line and pulls it back down to 40 cents. That could be a possibility as well. But I decided to take on that risk and put through a simple leverage trade. And yeah, this is just something that I did. I put through a simple leverage trade at a level of 53 cents, which it gives me no room for error. It's like 60 or $70 worth of XRP that I decided to put up at a 50x leverage. So it's crazy. I don't expect anybody to follow that, but I just wanted to be clear with you guys in exactly what I did do, and the risk that I'm willing to take there. But by the time this video is actually out, I might actually buy more XRP to get me to a higher level. If you don't know, if I go to Coinbase here and go to my portfolio, I have in my assets, I have 36 or 36, almost 37,000 XRP. And I want to get up to 40, right? Get up to those levels. So basically buying around 3,000, 3,300, somewhere around that range, in order to get me up to that 4,000 mark. Now, am I going to officially buy it? I don't know. You'll know in a future video, but anybody on Patreon will know as soon as I decide to purchase more XRP. But the point is that there's a lot of opportunity. I honestly could take the amount that I have from Margex, because I have some over on Margex, some money over on Margex that I can bring over to Coinbase and then trade that for XRP. And that would be fantastic to do, but I haven't made that decision yet. The point is, as you can see within this video, the title doesn't lie. I am so tempted right now to buy XRP, to trade XRP, to just gather more because of where it is. And there's a lot of other opportunities that are here. You can see Tether is down to $64. And I'm like, I could buy more of that. I could hold, another 50 coins if I wanted to. But there's so many opportunities. I'm not going to take on every single one. I'm going to invest more into my top tier positions and then go on about my day. If crypto.com, and this is a whole nother situation, if crypto.com came down to 10 cents, I might consider even purchasing a lot more than of that during this time period. But anyways, let's not go off on a tangent. Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out any of the links that are down below. It does help out the channel. Let me know if you guys are buying anything within these dips, because this is the time to dollar cost average in, especially if you bought at a higher point or you came in at a later point while it was at a 2.7 overall $1 trillion market cap. You might now have the opportunity to buy a lot more or dollar cost average in. But guys, hopefully this video ages a lot better than the Jasmy Coin video. I know I took on a larger risk by investing in 50x leverage in XRP, but I just want to be transparent with you guys. And sometimes I do make mistakes, but this was a little bit more technically driven. It's just, you never know where the overall market's going to go. So then XRP could also react that way. So guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.